Guess what today is? The day has come. Warming the coachman up. Scotty's warming his truck up. They're going one way, we're going another. We have camp all picked up. Everything's put away. All the chairs and lights and tablecloth and grill. Everything. Got it's a beautiful day to travel though. They're getting ready to head a little bit to the north up to Interstate 80 and then over to the west a little bit. They're headed for, I don't know, out through Ohio and somewhere. Gosh, it has been good hanging with my friends for a couple of weeks. Actually, they ended up staying. Bella, what are we gonna do? We're gonna end up getting back to the garage and getting this freaking coachman done so we can travel too. Break time is over. Intermission time in my summer here is over. 3 months of projects, a 2-week break, and now we gotta get on it because what is this? We're coming up in the middle. It's about the middle of July. August, September. The weather is starting to change in mid-late September, noticeably, absolutely in October. So, what do you call it? 6, 8, 10 weeks. That'll go by fast, and the weather will be changing. I'll be saying, these nights are getting cold. Let's go. I don't know. Time to get out of here, though. We got to finish getting old Miss Coachman here, getting her together here. She's got. She's getting there. She's getting there. Warming up. Oh, I gotta get down off my levelers, and we're all probably gonna go over and take care of tanks and get some fresh water in our freshwater tanks, and we'll be good to go. We'll be saying our goodbyes. All right, we'll take a quick walk out here. Here it is, Friday. And we do have this one neighbor that came in here, but we have all these sites over here, a tent, and all these sites around here, and the nice big sites way down at the end of this loop, and one neighbor over here too. You know, it's just not a very busy campground, and this is Crooked Creek Lake in Ford City, Pennsylvania, but they don't have hookups here, and you know what, people really like their hookups, but that's why this isn't so busy. Places with hookups are busy, but if you're okay without hookups, this has been a great site. This has been a great campsite. We've had a good time here. All right, we did a final walk around and left our campsite clean. Terry and Scott has done the same. Everything's picked up. We're out of here. We're not yeah, we'll see them in a minute, so we're not saying goodbye yet. Although Terry was waving, that moment is getting close. I was gonna say, what? We need to get on the road too. Can we just go with them? The deed is done. Jeez. Notice dump station is for fee campers only. Violators subject to you know, the rules of the park. So yeah, fee campers only. We've done our share of that. And here they come. I'm gonna get my fresh water filled up and get out of their way. What a nice rig they have. Oh, it's almost time to say goodbye. All right, let me get my fresh water going so I can get out of their way. How you doing, girl? That's it, we're finishing up here. I'm already done with the coachman. It's over there out of the way. And Scotty's here just finishing, getting their fresh water.
Taking my time so I don't have to leave so soon.
And I'll be out of here in just a few minutes. And and Bella's just hanging out here. Huh? Hacking. What'd you do?
Like, I don't want to say goodbye.
Yeah.
I've had fun with Pumpkin and being in my little cage. Huh? You like the cage. Except you figured out how to get in and out, no problem.
What? Who's there? Nah, just Harry. You know, so alright. In Pucka. Yeah, that's a good
Hi,
buddy.
Oh, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye, pals.
Yeah, it's been awesome.
We'll be back. We'll see you soon again.
Yeah, somewhere. That's it, Bella. We're getting back to our business as usual. It's time to go, girl. There they go. Right. My sentiments exactly. There they go. Bella watching them depart. Oh boy, it's hard to see friends leave. We'll have some catching up to do, that is for sure. We're taking the long way. Scott and Terry are probably wondering why we came this way. We should have turned the other way back there, but we're taking the scenic route home. Well, not really, it's just we're gonna follow them out here a little bit way and take the other way home. It's just a little bit longer, but I just felt like it. And we're like 2 steps closer to being on the road. I've added a dash cam. Okay, we now have a dash cam. And
turn left onto Pleasant View Drive.
We're not going that way either. And they're both plugged in. I do have the I do have the adapter in the power port for 2 USBs, so I can put directions in the phone for like the, I don't have to worry about the battery going dead. I can travel all day, put in directions, and just go on a long trip. So yeah, that's a little tiny step. And the dash cam, I like dash cam footage, you know, some, not overdone, but I do like some dash cam footage. So we have that up and running. Bella says that's pretty cool. Things are getting back to normal. And that was the last glimpse of Terry and Scott and Pumpkin that we'll see for a while. And on another positive note, we are exercising the coachman out on the open highway. 65 mile an hour, running great, running smooth. It really has me kind of itching to take off.